So we are inside the plane, and then this is my supposedly window. So I'm sitting on the window side, but there's no window. So see you in Crete. So that's the plane that we took, and now we're going to board the bus. Landed at Heraklion Airport, and we are waiting for our luggage. And before that, let me show you the requirements of traveling to Crete, Greece, and the requirements coming back. Inside the bus, waiting for everyone to board so we can go to our hotel. The whole vacation was booked via TUI, and that includes pickup to and from the hotel and from the hotel to the airport. So yeah, it's all inclusive and everything is arranged for us. So we made it to our hotel, Atlantica Akti Zeus Hotel, and the moment you arrive, there's someone disinfecting all the luggages before we can bring it to the room. And that's the line for checking it. As you can see, the room is fully disinfected. So welcome to our room. Let me give you a room tour. Oh, they also give us masks and gloves and sanitizer. So this is the room in Atlantica Akti Zeus Hotel. Let's see our view from outside. So we have our small balcony here. Then there you go. So lunch, breakfast, and dinner are all inclusive. You got the mountain over there. So yeah. Okay, let's go check out the pool area. So this hotel has two large outdoor pools, one for everyone and the other one are for children. So yeah, this is the best area for you to go tanning, relaxing, and just sunbathing in general. Food and drinks are all free, so you get access to lunch, breakfast, dinner, snacks, and cocktails that they provide. So here's my first sandwich slash wrap called gyros. So dinner is buffet style, and they have different theme every night, so you don't eat the same type of food menu. So one time they have Mexican, they have Greek, they have Spanish and Asian. So yeah, just so you have an idea what type of food they are serving, so it comes in a theme. Here is a clear view of the pools area and the beach area without anyone swimming. Here's another feature slash amenities that the hotel has, and access to the beachfront. So basically this entire area here, you can have access to it when you are staying at the hotel. The sunbeds and the parasols are also free to use.
Here by the beach, watching the sunset. Look at the sky, it's very pink. It's nice. It's quiet.
So there are three places where you can enjoy and relax. One is you can go to the Splashworld, where we are heading now, and the other one is you can just stay by the pool area, or you can relax by sand tanning at the beachfront. So yeah, you can choose either of the three, which one you want to go.
So this is the Splashworld. That's all the slides in there. You can go all the way up. And there's this one. There's another one over there. So yeah, there's a lot of things that you can do. Another one. So yeah, probably we're gonna do this tomorrow. Today is just lying on the beach day, so it's gonna be fun. It's nice.
So tonight we opted for a private dinner, which is also included in the package. This one is more sophisticated and you can order the food from the menu.
These are all the starters? Oh, nice! These are all the starters. Traditional egg, Greek egg. Oh, these are all traditional food. Yeah, yeah, traditional meals. Those are cheese, right? Greek cheese, melted. Ooh, you got a fish.
And every night you get to enjoy free entertainment, free drinks, and cocktails. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you have any question regarding Akti Zeus Hotel, the package, 2-week package vacation, just leave your comment in the comment section and I will be glad to answer them as much as I can. Thank you.